I absolutely love this golf net I just got. It is super easy to put together and it's kind of versatile what you can use it for and where you can put it. So you can put it in your garage, hang it up, on your garage railings and have a nice little hitting area in there. Or for me in my back patio like this, it is perfect if I'm out by the pool. I just want to hit some balls, get some practice in. My son likes to play soccer, so we can practice his kicking, or baseball if you want to hit a baseball into this. Really, really easy to do. So the simple setup, you just string a line across the top, or you can rig it up some way. It has carabiners you can use, and then that helps you when you're done with it, you can slide it out the way. So I got little bungee straps on mine just to have a little extra tension on the top and bottom. I mean, I can throw a golf ball, a baseball, something at it, and it does not like go way too far in. It catches everything, and the netting itself is actually pretty solid. The carabiners are really nice, and the outside banding on it, it is, very durable, and it's mini hits and all that stuff, and it's still not worn out. And, when you're done, like I said, you can just slide this thing out the way. Perfect for just, to practice your golf swing or any of that stuff like that. If you're looking for something like this, super versatile, very good durability, definitely check something out like this.